Similar to the case of a non-resident engaged in shipping business is a case of a non-resident aircraft operator. Okay, so if there is a non-resident, okay, engaged in the business of operation of aircraft, the taxation is governed by these provisions. This is again notwithstanding to the contrary contained in section 28 to 43A. So what is the deemed income of such a person? The deemed income of such person is 5% of the sum total of the amount paid or payable whether in or out of India to the assessee being the aircraft operator, or to any person on his behalf on account of carriage of goods, passengers, livestock, mail from any place in India. This is important. So any payment which is made, paid or payable, whether in or outside of India, to the assessee or to any person on his behalf, okay, if it is for carriage of passengers, goods or livestock from a place in India, that is taxable in India. Secondly, the amount received or deemed to be received in India. Okay, now we are not covering the case where the amount is received outside India, but we are dealing with the case where the amount is received or deemed to be received in India by or on behalf of the assessee on account of carriage of passengers, livestock, mail or goods from any place outside India. This is again similar to the business what we saw earlier relating to the shipping business of the shipping non-resident ship operator. The only difference is here it is 5%, there it was 7.5%. Right? So let us move on to the next slide now.